Hello guys, my name is Christian James Divinos. For today's video, I will teach you about 8 parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, adverb, verb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, pronoun, interjection. Number 1. Noun. A noun names a person, place, things, or idea. Example: dog, cat, horse, student, teacher, apple, and many more. Number 2. Adverb. An adverb tells how often, how, when, where. It can describe a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. Example: loudly, always, never, late, soon, and many more. Number 3. Verb. A verb is a word or group of words that describe an action, experience. Example: realize, walk, see, look, sing, sit, listen, and many more. Number 4. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Example: red, tall, fat, long, short, blue, beautiful, sour, better, and many more. Number 5. Preposition. A preposition is used before a noun, pronoun, or ground to show place, time, direction in a sentence. Example: at, in, on, about, to, for, from, and many more. Number 6. Conjunction. A conjunction joins words or group of words in a sentence. Example: and, because, yet, therefore, moreover, since, or, so, until, but, and many more. Number 7. Pronoun. A pronoun replaces the name of a person, place, things, or idea in a sentence. Example: he, she, it, we, they, him, her, this, that, and many more. Last, interjection. Interjection expresses strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation point. Example: bravo, well, aha, hooray, yeah, oops, pew. And that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Thank you. Bye-bye.